A lot of former Tamaraws, itong Quezon Huskers, a lot of FEU influence on this team.
Well, of course, because it starts with their head coach, who's now a fighting Maroon, by the way, with FEU. And to your point, they have Cyrus Torres, LJ Gonzalez, and this guy, Sandagon, who opens up the game with the first 2 points.
Quezon executing brilliant. The Kiwag pops out. The Kiwag fires. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Michael Mabulak, who joined the 1,000 rebound club a couple of games ago.
Against Bulacan, played only 10 minutes, but also had 10 points.
LJ. Nice pass to Minerva, who knocks down the jumper.
I love that shot because it's a high percentage shot, able to...
Hesed Gabo. Mabulak providing the pick. Hesed attacks and scores.
He's a much better shooter, but I think you just choose your poison because...
Sandagon. Domark Matiliano has found a home here at Quezon. LJ, layup is good.
What a beautiful executed play. The reason why...
Gonzalez quickly to Matiliano. He is open and he knocks it down.
So picking up where he left off is...
Stroke from beyond the arc.
And then they have comebacking players like Sandagon and Minerva. Yung experience nila last season, sigurado ko makakatulong yun. Another 3 from Quezon. Biggest lead so far.
Yes. No. Gabo looking to push quickly to Dakiwag. And Dakiwag, the layup is good.
I just love that move.
Kay Mika Abisam.
Coach Eric Gonzalez is still in the process of trying out the capability of each of his players in terms of his system. So far, he is happy with the performances of his young guys like LJ Gonzalez, Cyrus Torres, with a combination of Judel Fuentes in the backcourt, as we can see. But there are still more players to infuse the system too. Domark Matiliano, Lander Cannon, Christian Bunag, Jesse Saitana, even Will Gozum, who played 4 or 5...
Here's Tolentino. James Bautista in the ball game. Kasama si Ian Melencio.
Nice pick.
Bautista lays it in for 2.
Well, that shot.
Lagrama.
Nice move.
With a dribbling display. Goes to Torres and he knocks it down.
And that's the 3rd time already in less than 2 minutes of Taganas able to create open shots. That time, a 3-pointer. Binawi naman kagad ni Melencio.
Ian Melencio. Minutes remaining in the first period. Gozum! Oh!
Fourth time to
Went.
attack. So took advantage and caught a hand in the cookie jar. Kaya nasa free throw siya. So maaga pa lang, nagche-chest na yung mga coaches.
20-15. Fuentes recovers and scores.
And guess who was defending the ball screen? As Fuentes lineup right now. You could argue that Gozum is a 5. Natanggap niya. He knows what to do because he plays like a guard. Tulad nun. Other 3 of the game.
Biggest lead of the ball game, 25-15. Robin attacks and scores on the layup.
That's a miscommunication on the ball screen coverage.
We bring your end of the first quarter score by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first is 3 in transition. Too strong. Good line though. Jason Apiso, Rodel Gravera. Bautista bumps into Abundo and lays it in for 2. Melencio, nagmamadali. Ian to Japs. Bautista, left-handed scoop is good.
Transition.
Vince Tolentino makes his move. Vince Tolentino, whoa, that was pretty.
If there's one thing that all left-handers have in shoulder, as you saw the move right there by Tolentino, up and up and step through.
How about Jason Apiso? Goes to Sandagon. Simon Sandagon, what a move.
Inatake kagad yung malamig na player, but he gets a favorable matchup against a slower Javellonar.
Oh, LJ Gonzalez just blows by Jeff Javellonar.
Play the ball. They were trying to prevent him but from doing that. The Kiwag binawi naman kaagad of the empty corner ball screen yung action nila ni Mabulak.
Fuentes fires. Yes, sir.
Beautiful action right there by LJ Gonzalez. He did not force to get the ball, and beautiful steal by Gonzalez. Credit the last 5 points to him because that backdoor play.
Hesed, jumper. He will get the roll.
It was a good line too. Oh,
Gonzalez, drop pass. Sandagon keeps his poise and puts it in for 2.
talk about familiarity between these two players.
Here's LJ Gonzalez looking to push. LJ, Minerva from Fuentes for 2.
Talk about textbook fast.
The Kiwag. Here comes Pangasinan. Melencio. Oh, what a shot. 6 points para kay Ian Melencio. He had some nasty plans there, but look at Ian Melencio. Just the crafty waves. Our halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Or at least make it close, down by 2, or maybe, tie the ball game up. Heading into the fourth, Hesen Gabo, first steal in the second half, and also the first 3-point play. What a way to start the second half.
Hesen Gabo makes it 40-38. The Sandagon pick. Gonzalez, the kick out. Torres pulls up. The jumper is pure. Galing kay Cyrus Torres. LJ. Melencio with the steal. Gabo. Oh, biglang bumagal si Hesed Gabo.
Yun lang, natapilok.
It looked like he sprained. The Kiwag. Step back 3. Off. Meneses with the offensive rebound. Meneses! Off the glass and in.
You just gotta love the
Kiwag wide open. Yes, sir!
You know why? Because yung nagbigay ng screen sa kanya, white.
Abundo. That's Jodel Fuentes. Playing the fireman role there. Place para sa kanila. But Jodel Fuentes misses. Gravera puts it back in.
I love the play call after Jodel Fuentes hits a 3.
Inside, Gravera with a hammer. What a...
Hindi nakabigay ng suporta sa backpick ito.
Play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. Naiwan si Meneses. The attention galing kay LJ Gonzalez as Gravera throws it down.
Not hitting the shot though.
William Moore to tie the game. Wala. Meneses again.
How good.
Bring your end of the third quarter score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first. Hesed Gabo. Fade away over LJ Gonzalez.
Well, how about the strength by Hesen Gabo? That was actually good deep. That 1-2 step.
Nerva, nice pass to Sandagon with the reverse.
Ganda ng connection ng Bigs. First quarter pa lang nangyayari na yan.
Gabo to Javillonar for 3. Yes, sir.
Second 3 of the ball game for Javillonar. College days.
Yeah, at NU. Gonzalez to Sandagon. And Simon Sandagon. 2. Minerva with the offensive rebound. Torres from the corner. Yes!
And that's the reason why you want to...
That's the Kiwag. LJ, step back jumper.
Straight today.
Nice recovery there. Mabulak inside, and Michael Mabulak puts the Heat Waves to within 5. Bagsak si Will Gozo.
Wow, I can't believe that no call.
Gabo. Oh! Again.
I can't believe that no call.
Gonzalez, Fuentes for 3. That's good. And Judel Fuentes loving it. Robin will fire. Bautista again. That's good. So 7 seconds remaining are in the game. Gabo will fire. And will that count?
Looks like it.
Let's watch this.
Dinepensahan to, ah.
Oh.
Hindi ito yung pinabayaan lang. Ayan, oh. Pinarapan nila Grama.
No, I don't think so.
Mukhang hindi counted. Mukhang hindi counted. It's good to be wrong.
And best player of the game brought to you by Buenas, LJ Gonzalez. Why is he our choice, Coach Christian?
Because we can call him Mr. Suave. Ibang klase yung galawan nitong si LJ Gonzalez. It almost feels effortless. But you know in your head, pag ikaw gumawa ng mga kilos niya, mahirap lang. Pero dahil siya...
This final score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.